So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this bitch. Sadly, I cannot put it through Discord because the fucking camera lag. But oh well, it'll. Ow! Shit, we good. I do not trust myself with sharp objects. But oh well, it'll. But yeah. Try and open this fucking box. Damn, this shit's like lazily tossed in here. No, I'm just kidding. Next month's crate is Brian
Bro, we
Pillman,
play the
Dark
Black Ops 1
Order,
co-op mod.
Lita, Heath Slater, Iron Sheik, Jake the Snake Roberts, Iron R. Shorster. I have no idea who that is. And a special item for Pro Wrestling Tees. I think the reason why Brian Pillman's featured in the next one's because of Dark Side of the Ring. And that thing. But yeah.
Yeah, Dwarven, you should look at my stream.
Damn, bro, I'm recording a video.
Damn.
I love this Young Buck shirt, though. Good shit. This webcam does not do it justice, though. Because, you know, I don't... The only reason why I had this webcam was, when I did the online schooling shit in college, we had to have, like, a webcam. So, yeah. Money Inc., which is
Money.
IRS and the $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase.
What did I just die to? What the fuck?
Did you?
Oh, you know what? It's 'cause I probably stood in fire. Without even realizing it.
Micro
I might have.
Brawler Tonga Loa, which I believe he's in, I think New Japan, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong, but yeah, that shit. Pen, which is Motor City Machine Guns. It's a nice pen. I like it. The fucking glare. That shit sucks. I think what I might do to help with like the webcam, how it picks up like uh sun reflections, I might just get like blackout curtains for the window. Before the Big Leagues Tag Team Edition, I do not know who's on the front. Featuring Santana Ortiz versus Lucha Mob. Best friends with Matt Striker versus Tommy Dreamer, Colt Cabana, and Mike Carbernick. I might have fucked up that last name. Super Smash Bros. Versus 041K or 014K. Private Party versus The Rep. SCU versus Gymnasty Boys. Beaver Boys versus shit. Team where the fuck that is. I don't know. I can't read. Not today.
Oh.
poster. I believe this is Dream Match. Dream Match Wrestling. Faces of Fear versus GOD. And then the autograph. Oh, the coloring of the thing is slightly different. Normally it's black and white. Cash and Dax, also known as FTR. Yeah. Good shit. That's a nice little wrestling crate for the month. I also have the one from last month up there behind me. But yeah, a good little crate for the month. And then this is thing that's on it or in it. Bye, motherfuckers.